Hey there, today we're diving into the fascinating world of high-end modern living room interiors. But what makes these spaces truly special is their commitment to eco-friendly decorations and sustainable living. We've handpicked 11 stunning living rooms in open-concept Los Angeles, homes that prioritize the environment. Imagine the perfect fusion of style and sustainability. And here's the cherry on top. These homes are designed in such a way that nature almost feels like it's coming right into the living room. Large windows, expansive glass doors, and thoughtfully placed greenery allow natural light to flood in, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the lush outdoors of sunny Los Angeles. From reclaimed wood accents to energy-efficient lighting, these spaces are a testament to eco-friendly design choices. It's about more than just luxury aesthetics. It's about making responsible choices for our planet. So, if you're as excited as we are about these stunning living rooms that showcase the beauty of sustainable living in the heart of California, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got more incredible design inspiration coming your way, and we can't wait to share it with you.